Welcome back to the third and final part of this tutorial. Here I'll be showing you how I assemble the whole parts of the bag. I'm going to place the front pocket on top of the main panel, then I will adjust it to my desired position. Now I'm going to pin all around the sides. I'll be pinning in 0.25 inch. After pinning, I'm going to sew all around it. I've sewn the sides with 0.25 inch, and now I'm done with this front pocket. For the inner pocket, I'm going to get the lining of the front part of the main panel. Then I'll notch the two centers. Now I'm going to align the two centers together, pin it and sew it with 1/2 inch sewing allowance. Now I'm going to trim off the sides. And with this, I'm done with this pocket. I'll be placing the strap on top of this back side of the main panel. From this edge of the main panel, I'll go up by 2 inches. And I'll place this end of the strap like this and pin it. Taking up the other end of the strap, I'll pin it to the top of the main panel. I'll do the same to the other strap of the bag. Now I'll join the two ends with 1/2 inch sewing allowance. Moving forward, I've pinned the sides of the gusset to the back side of the main panel. I'm going to join it with 1/2 inch sewing allowance all around it. I've sewn it, and here you can see that the two sides did not align. This is simply because one is curvy and the other is not. Now I'll turn it to the right side for you to have a view of what it looks like so far. Turning it back to the wrong side, I'm going to attach the front side of the panel. I'll notch these two centers, here and here as well. Now I'm going to align the centers together. Then I'll pin. To pin this end correctly, I'm going to pin to the left and right of the center. Now I'm going to adjust it from this end and this end as well. The excess should be somewhere here. I'll do the same to this other side. I'm going to sew with 1/2 inch sewing allowance. Through this opening, I'm going to turn it to the right side. For a cleaner finishing, I'm going to turn it back to the wrong side. Then I'll attach the lining. Taking up this side of the lining, I'm going to align it to the front side of the main panel. So now I'm going to pin it all around the front edge. I'll sew and leave a little gap through which I'll turn the bag inside out. I'll leave this little gap right here. I'm going to trim off these ends. Then I will notch all around it. Through this opening, I'm going to turn the bag inside out. I'll be repeating the previous process to this side of the bag. Now I'm going to close up these two openings. Closing this up completes the whole process. Thank you so much for staying with me throughout these 3 parts of the tutorial. Hope you found this as exciting as I did. Please leave your comments, questions and suggestions down below.